Macerated.
Yep, this is that macerated tissue. Okay, this cell right here, probably a vessel element. What about this very pointy one right there? Trachea. What about this one right here, though? Excuse me, not trachea. Fibers. Pointed ends, fibers. What about this one, though? That's a trachea. See at the end? There's a little bit of an overlap. So that's likely to be a trachea. If you could see pits on it, that would clinch it for you. Let's see if we can see pits on it. I think that's it right there. And yes, there seems to be a few pits. Okay. Okay. There's that vessel element probably. No. Look at that. That's a sieve plate. Actually, this is really good slide. That's a sieve plate, so what is it? Sieve tube member. Notice it's not graded, it's holes, polka dot holes. So that means it's phloem, it's a sieve tube member. Okay. You see why there's a difference? The ones that have a storm drain grating on them, they're slots as opposed to holes. Those are going to be the vessel elements. Okay. And this one has what looks like a fairly thin wall, right? Tracheids and vessel members should have thicker walls. Okay, so this one turns out to be a sieve tube member. Okay, and the reason I can tell for sure is we can actually see the sieve plate there. Otherwise, they're kind of hard to tell sometimes. Okay. I wish I could pull that up every time, because that would be helpful. Okay. Okay, these seem to have that same aspect to them here and here. Okay, what are we going to call that one? Cell is a fiber. Tissue is sclerenchyma, which it is under the general description of tissue as ground tissue, right? I guess I could say general tissue and specific tissue. Maybe that would be a good way to kind of get you thinking that way. Would that work? The general tissue for this guy, it would be ground tissue. The specific tissue would be sclerenchyma. You see what I'm saying? Okay, this guy right here shows a ladder-like aspect to it. Can you see that? Okay, I'll get closer to it. There it is. Maybe not. Yeah, I can't tell for sure, so we'll pass. The purple one is a fiber for sure. Now that one looks like trinket, but I'm not sure about it. I think we'll stick with what we've already seen and leave it at that. Okay, so that's one.